How to save Google Form responses as a PDF. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily save your Google Forms responses as a PDF. It's quite easy, so let's just jump right into it. Go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser, click on Google Apps, and then go to Forms. If you don't find it here, you could directly go to docs.google.com/forms. Hit enter, and then you'll be taken directly over to Google Forms. I have this form that I have published, whose response I want to download. So I can just tap on the form over here, and then you can go to responses. I have currently one response, so I'll just show you how to download it. There are three ways you can download this. You can either download the whole summary of the responses, or if you have multiple responses, it just can give you the summary of the responses like this. And then if you want to download it based on questions, you can do that as well. And you could download it individually as well, so you can see how each person has responded to each question. I'll just do summary for now. Go to the top right corner on the three dots and then click on print. Now it's going to go ahead and open the form up over here. And then once you click on this print option, it's going to open up this print interface. Now on destination, you can just choose save as PDF for now, and then click on save. Once you do that, select where you want to save it, and then you should be good to go. Click on save, and it'll be all right. That's how you can easily save your responses from Google Forms as a PDF. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.